Hi everybody, it's Rhonda, and today I just wanted to go through Render Studio and give you some updates on some new features that have been added. I know it's been quite a while since I've done a video. It's been a crazy summer, so I apologize for that, and you can expect to see videos more regularly again, okay? So in this one though, it's a real quick one. I'm going to run through some of the most recent updates I made to Render Studio, different features that we've added for you. So let me jump right in. Okay, let's start up here. The first thing is, this was just requested. If you go into your generation history, you may have a couple different generations that you did, and you want to look at them a little closer to see which one you really like best. So up here at the top, you can click on compare, and then you can choose two images and then select compare, and it'll pop them both up in this light box for you so you can see them better. They're larger and they're side by side, so you can compare different images, and you can swap the sides if you want to. And then you can, as long as this compare feature, you selected the compare, you can do this over and over again with different images, so you can look at them, and then when you're done, just hit cancel. Okay, that's a little one, but it was something that was requested, so I made sure I got it in there. All right, this is a little bit older. Inside of the boss mode planner, we have the goal breaker. Okay, if you have a big goal, let's say your goal is to generate $5,000 a month, you can put that in here and it will break that down into smaller, easier to reach steps, so you don't get discouraged. Okay, it just breaks down big goals into a bunch of smaller goals, so that's really nice. And then let's go down through here. Most recently, I added the Printable Planner Generator, so you can come in here and let's generate a sample one. Let's do teachers, since it's back to school. Yeah, we're going to do teachers, and you can just do my back to school planner, and you can give it a tagline if you want to. Here you can choose the theme. I'm going to just write in here, let's do 90s retro bright and bold colors. And then here you could select a color palette, or in here you can just select a few different colors. And I think since I'm doing teacher planner, I'm going to go with some primary colors like red, blue, and yellow, just like that. And if you wanted to, you can add images from your history, and that will just, help your planner get an idea of the style and design you want. Okay, so if I wanted to come in here, let's see, I don't know if I have anything that would be good for this or not. Let's do this little mummy. Okay, and now what we can do is, I just like to tell it one page of each, because then I can just bundle it together in a PDF with one page for each style, and then my customers can print as many as they want. And if I want an extra page, I'm going to say daily school tasks as an extra page that is like unique to teachers. So I'm going to just hit generate planner. Now it does take a little while for this to happen, because you're generating 5 pages at once. So we'll give it just a second, and then we'll look at that. Okay, so it generated, so now we can download our planner. Let me download this. I'm just going to put it right here in downloads, and let's open it up so we can see what it looks like. So this is my back to school planner, and it says Ultimate Guide to a Totally Awesome School Year, 90s style, because I did not enter a tagline. I just let the system come up with it on its own. So you see, it took the cheetah and the little mummy and incorporated that and those colors and styles throughout the planner, okay? And that's what it will happen when you add an image. So we've got our lesson plan, we've got our daily school tasks, we have teacher's daily planner, we have the weekly planner, and then we have the monthly overview. And again, you can give these to your customer like this, and then they can print as many as they want of each one. So that is a new feature, the Printable Planner. And we also have the QR code generator now, so you can come in here, and if you want to add a QR code to your mailing list or anything like that into, you know, your banners and stuff, you can generate QR codes right in here. To do that, you can use a Render Studio short link option. That would be dynamic, and then that way you could change the URL later if you wanted to, or you could use a static, and this does not have tracking and the URL cannot be changed later. But the choice is yours on how you do it. So we have that. And brand new, just this morning as well, is our review response. This is for paid users. If you get a review, a bad review, a good review, it's up to you. You just paste the customer review in here and you choose the tone you want to reply with and click generate replies, and it will give you 3 different options of replies that you could give to your customer if you struggle with, you know, how to reply to a bad review especially, but even good reviews, okay? And then lastly, we have our pricing and profit calculator. So if you are selling on Etsy, you can enter your selling price and things like that in here, and it will tell you what you need to sell this at to break even, and also, you know, what fees are being taken out. And we have this for Etsy or Maker's Page. Or if you use another platform, you can enter this stuff in here manually, how much the fees are, so you can set your, you know, calculate your prices and your profits right here inside of Render Studio, okay? So again, guys, that is, you know, just a quick update for you on some of the newer features that we've just added in here. If you haven't used Render Studio yet, you can sign up for free and, you know, try it out. We also have a summer special right now for 20% off of all annual plans. So I will leave a link for that too for you in the comments. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.